originating with the name of God, who's love, who's the most merciful, the most beneficent, who's the creator of you, me, and this entire cosmos by the grace of our beloved Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Respectable sir and talented students of Habib Singh's Academy, Assalamu alaikum. So today our topic under discussion is how to make our life better. My dear fellow, what is life? The answer to question is this: that life is a journey between B and D. B for birth and D for death. And there's something which comes in the middle. That is C. C stands for choice. Between birth and death, something is in the middle. That's C. Means it proves that you have to pass your life according to your choice. Whatever you want to become in your life, whatever your plannings are for the future, if you go on with them, your life would be the most beautiful lives. My dear fellows, we have been visiting all over the world. We have seen many kind of people who have become rich, or they are at any high stage. Sometimes we get motivations from their success, sometimes we be jealous. So for them someone says that jealousy is bad, envy is good. If you would be jealousing with him, means Allah Almighty would be bestowing him something according to his hard work and his persistence. One day he would get success. Means what would remain of us? If I saw someone going on the car, I became jealous of him. If someone has secured something better than me, I would get jealous of it. Means being jealous of everyone, I am not going to get any kind of better results. My progress would be decreasing. I would be defamed all over the world. The unsuccessful person is crossing from the roads. Someone says that the hardest time in our life, among the hardest times of our life, the one time means the time which is of poverty in our youth is the hardest time. Means in our youth, if we are poor, so that's going to be the hardest time for us. Because in our youth, we are given the responsibilities. We are given the responsibilities of studies. We are given the responsibilities of our family. Financial problems, physical problems. It means we would be among the problems. We would be in the middle, and around us there would be the problems. But if we would be the successful youngsters, these are going to be nothing in front of us. And so these would be sold by us in a jiffy. Means these are not going to create any big issue for us, because we would be successful in our life. We would have everything which we lost in our past. Someone says now something is better than nothing. Something is better than nothing. If we lose everything for something, so that something would be limited for us, because it is a very small amount of thing. One day it is going to end. But if we would lose that something, Allah Almighty would bestow us everything in our future. Do not get worried of every problem, because Allah Almighty doesn't create any problem means without solution. Whatever problems do we face in our lives, means every problem comes with its solution. So it is better, rather than focusing on problem, if we focus on its solution, so our much time would be saved. We would not be depressed. We would be comfortable. And this is going to give us the experience that how have we to tackle every problem of our life in our future. Ups and downs are part of our life. According to our status, we are given the problems. if I am a businessman, I earn millions in a month, so according to it, I would be facing the hardships. If I am a student of metric class, according to it, I would have means hardships in studies. So for that, Iqbal says that means it would be a termination of my speech. Iqbal encourages his shines that लिखना नहीं आता तो मेरी जान पढ़ा कर, लिखना नहीं आता तो मेरी जान पढ़ा कर, हो जाएगी तेरी मुश्किल आसान पढ़ा कर। पढ़ने के लिए अगर तुझे कुछ न मिले तो चेहरों पे लिखे दर्द के उन्वान पढ़ा कर। यानी that means along with you there are some people who are facing the same problem. If you would read their faces, so you would feel comfortable. Means you would say that I am not special in the world. There are also some people who have higher means bigger hardships. लारेब तेरी रूह को तस्कीन मिलेगी, लारेब तेरी रूह को तस्कीन मिलेगी, तू कुर्ब के लम्हात में कुरान पढ़ा कर। हज़रत अली says ना, if the means the rope which we put in the mouth of our horse or camel through which we ride, Hazrat Ali says that if that thing loses, I would try to search it from Holy Quran, because Holy Quran is the complete code of our life. Whatever the things are there have been told to us by our Holy Prophet peace be upon him before many years. आ जाएगा इकबाल तुझे जीने का करीना, आ जाएगा इकबाल तुझे जीने का करीना, तू सरवरे कौनैन के फरमान पढ़ा कर। So these are my points which I shared in front of you. Thank you very much.